Taking, just be. Don't take it. Taking, just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal. I ain't lying. I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video. We are getting ready to do my hair. The unit that I'm installing today is from Luvme Hair. Worked with them on multiple occasions. Absolutely love their unit. So let's go ahead and jump right in. So here we go. One thing I love about the units from them is that they are so easy to just apply. They are definitely beginner friendly. So along with the unit, of course, you get your card. They gave me a wig cap. I don't wear the wig caps because you can see the wig cap under the wig, like through the lace. And I just don't like that look, and I just don't like the tight feeling of the wig cap. So if you are contemplating whether or not, do you have to wear a wig cap or do you not? Like, do you or do you not? You don't always have to. Of course, the wig cap does protect your hair because sometimes the wig can rub against your hair and can cause hair loss. However, I don't personally like wearing the wig caps, and I don't sleep in my wigs. So you get a comb, brush, edge brush, and a clip. So this wig comes ready to be worn. It comes with curls already in it. Like, girl, look at the part, look at the hairline, look at it. Okay, get into it, get into it. It looks so good, like, girl. And I love how they do like the C parting, like that is so nice. Love it. All right, the inside construction of this unit, this is what it looks like. So this is your lace portion. Here's the inside construction of the unit. So you have your lace area right here. You have a really nice size lace closure right here where you can change the part in. This is what the hairline looks like. It looks really good. So it comes already pre-cut. That's why I say that it's beginner friendly, because the knots are already bleached, the hairline is already plucked, and your lace is already cut. So you also have combs in the inside that are removable. If you're not a fan of the combs, you can just slide these combs right on out. But one thing about me, I love clipping in my wigs, and it just helps with like the security. So you have one comb in the back, and then you have this adjustable band right here, and this adjustable band has the grips right here. The adjustable band can be removed as well. So one thing I've noticed, this is something new. I've never had a unit come like this. So it has this adjustable clip right here at the bottom. It's like a bra strap, and you can adjust it. You have 3 different sizes. So this is going to help with the security. So you know how sometimes they have like the adjustable band where like you can clip it in to make it a little tighter. So this is at the bottom. It's going to be right there at the nape of your neck. So I'm going to go ahead and clip this in as tight as it goes. So let's take this off. I just cut my crochet down. That's what we're looking like this. But we're going to go ahead and just apply this unit. I'm going to show y'all how good it looks with just applying it, like doing nothing else. Oh, you say you gotta hurry up and get somewhere real quick. Baby, this is the wig for you. If you are on the go, if you like, girl, you don't even have to curl it. It comes curled. Of course, I'm going to do a little tweaking to it because I don't like my wigs to be like humpy right here. I don't like this. So what we're going to do is I'm going to get that hot comb and run some heat through it. But you said you don't know how to apply no wig. This is the wig you need. So this is what my hairline looks like. Just applying the wig, not putting anything on it. So it looks good. However, we are going to apply a little foam to just melt that lace a little bit. But girl, you can wear this 100% glueless. Alright guys, so my hot comb is warm now and we are just going to flatten this area out just a little bit. So I'm going to go through it with my hot comb.
All bad all day, but the night get that good till we act right. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know you. Can we stay high, babe?
So one thing I do like to do is just do like a little baby hair like right here. So what I'm going to do is just cut just a little bit. Just love that look for me. So I'm just going to take a little bit of hair out diagonally. Take a little foam. And then I'm just going to go in with the little foam right here at the hairline. And I feel like that just blends everything in. And I'm also going to take a little foam on top and then go over it with the heat just to set everything down.
You like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blameless, make amends, know you can, I'm out here.
Trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the ocean. But if you wanna go insane either way, baby, we could go on. We could go all night. We could go all night. Do we heal, do we bleed? I'ma follow your lead, but we could go all night.
This is the finished look. Absolutely love how it turned out. It was so quick and easy to apply. I will have everything linked down below in the description box. This unit is from Luvme Hair. This is their Airy Fit Scalp Care Wig, and it has the 7x6 closure in the front, so they have upgraded their cap. And like I showed y'all in the beginning, how it has the buckles in the back where you can adjust it to add the security that you need, and it also has the adjustable and removable clips in the inside and the band. So I love this unit. Really have no cons actually. I love units like this that just come so well packaged and just so easy. These are so beginner friendly. If you guys are looking for a beginner friendly wig, definitely check out Luvme Hair, and thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Never get out, 'cause I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. I would love wasting time with you, baby. 'Cause I know it will be heaven making love with you. Love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. Oh, love is in the air tonight. I am yours, so hold me tight. Love is in the air tonight. I see it in your eyes. You want this even more. Like we are soulmates, something we never felt before. Yeah, I don't mind taking my